Hello viewers, today we will see how can we make a very intricate selection like this. This type of tree has branches and branches in them. So what will you do to select it? Will you use lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool or magnetic lasso tool? Undoubtedly it will take your whole day if you use them. And also result won't be that satisfactory. But I will demonstrate you by taking magnetic lasso tool. And you will see what type of problem we face later. Now I have selected here magnetic lasso tool. Now look, as I try to select my subject here, it will give a notice that it couldn't find any subject for this image. If you use them, you automatically end up by getting no results. So don't even try to use them for these type of images. So what we do? Should we end our video here? No. When simple selection tools like these three tools give up their functioning, the new type of selection tool come into picture and we call them as channel selection. Firstly, I would like to make you understand what is the meaning of channel. You see, each image is composed of three basic colors called as RGB composition, and its full form is red, green, blue. Now you can clearly see here our RGB channel is selected, means every three channels, that is red, green and blue channel is selected, and you will see a colorful picture. Now if you select any individual channel, then it will show you black and white image. Black and white means where there is black, means there is missing of that particular channel, and where there is white, there is abundance of that channel. Suppose I have selected the blue channel, and in picture if there is showing white, means there are lots of blue in them. Today I will discuss two type of selection by which you can make selection of these type of images. First, make a copy of the background image. Then go to channels, select the channel which is in high contrast you feel. For this image, I think blue is in high contrast. Make a copy of the blue channel. Note, copied channel is alpha channel and rest of the channel are color channel. Now I will adjust its level, that is making black more black and white more white. Its shortcut is Ctrl L. Now as you can see, I am adjusting the level, that is making black more black and white more white. You may ask the question, what is the purpose of doing so? I am doing so to enhance the contrast of the image and also making things more differentiable so that it would be easy to select. After doing this, press Ctrl and click over the thumbnail of the alpha channel, that is blue copy. Our selection is made, that is of tree, this road and leaf. It excluded sky from our selection. If you want sky and rest of the thing, then press Ctrl Shift and I. It would invert your selection. If you are satisfied with the selection, then go over the RGB channel and click over it. It would make selection on the whole of your RGB channel. Then go to layer option and press Ctrl J. It would copy your selection, whatever selection you have made on the channel. I know this image is not differentiable now. Now I have hidden the background layer, you see. Now again it is not differentiable. Now I am taking a canvas. I am placing this image over here so that it would be easily differentiable for you. I have painted this background with black color. Wow, see the magic now. We have selected such intricate image with such ease. As I zoom the image, you can clearly see how perfect the result is that channel selection has given us. Now I will delete this layer to discuss the second or another way to make a selection of such images. Go to image section and click calculations. There are lots of options, but don't confuse with them. We will select here blue, as you had seen earlier that the blue channel has more contrast in it. Now you can see that it automatically created one more channel, that is alpha channel, in this section. Now repeat the task as we have done earlier. Now rest of the process are the same. Take the background color as per your desire. I am inverted the selection as it is giving more nice effect. If you want, then you can invert your selection by pressing Ctrl Shift and I. Just experimenting with the background layer. It is giving snow effect to our image. This is also looking nice. Now I am going to show these all by inverting the selection in the main image. I have shown you both. Hope you would like this video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and thanks a lot guys. Lots of love.